Imagine the sound of your heartbeat or breathing, not just as a sound, but as a picture you can see. This is a spectrogram, a way to color sound and understand it in a new way. Simply put, a spectrogram is a graph that shows how the frequencies of sound change over time. It combines 3 dimensions: time, frequency, and sound intensity, which can be seen through color or brightness. But the real value of spectrograms lies in their ability to uncover complex details beyond what the ear can hear. It allows to analyze even very complex cases like that below. With a conventional stethoscope, you can hear the sound of the heart or lungs, but with a spectrogram, you can see what your ear cannot hear, such as noise associated with heart valves or blood flow, turbulence, lung sounds like wheezing and whistling, other signs of breathing problems, and arrhythmias. Spectrograms allow doctors not only to hear, but also to see sounds, finding things that might otherwise be missed.